It is end of November 2017, and my name is Jarvis. A lot of people refer to me as Jarvis in the business world there, and Selmo's my first name. I've been in and out of the social corner for a long time, almost 6 years now. And I've been working on a lot of different products and trying to make some of my aspirations come to life. I just wanted to share actually where I've been for quite some time here. I've been working on developing a few applications. For those of you that recently knew, I released a meditation application at the beginning of this year, and that was just a small sample of the iceberg of some of the plans that I have put into place. So I wanted to talk about what I'm doing, why I've vanished also from my work as well. So I've made some changes in my job. I work at a call center for the last 6 years. I've made some huge changes in my roles at my job there so I can work a little bit on my projects. One of the projects here, which is almost ready to come to life, to fruition, is what I call is StoryLucent. It's a powerfully driven application or framework that lets you put together stories in a whole new, different, meaningful way. So I've got some concept art right here on the screen showing what I'm working on right now. The name of the story is Starlaw, and the framework which it's built on lets you follow any character of your choice in the story. So that's actually what my tool is all about, is kind of pushing the medium of storytelling to a whole nother level. It's really unique, so you can actually experience a story, and you can follow maybe perhaps like the hero in the story, or you can follow the villain in the story itself, or follow a side character like a minor character, and you can get a different perspective of the same story. Perhaps experience a whole new type of genre in the same story as well. So that's what my tool is all about. It's about making that process really smooth and easy to build the story, rather it's an audio story or more of a visual experience. I call it virtual storytelling. So I'm going to actually demonstrate what the framework is actually capable of. It's still work in progress. I'll start a little bit of the video here on the scenes while I'm rambling on here. So you'll see that behind me here of it playing through. The whole idea is that the work that I've been doing, I started this about 6 years ago, a little bit more. I couldn't afford going to the college or the school of my choice to learn a lot of the technical things which it takes to make these products. So I taught myself, and I've been doing that. It's been a huge sacrifice in order to learn and be able to produce things that I'm doing right now. I'm getting to a point where I'm satisfied in what I'm able to design and create, but I'm also looking forward to helping others. I mean, if anyone that's been in my situation, I certainly wish it was a lot easier to get to where I am without necessarily going through all of the struggles. So I'm looking to share the tools that I've created and also make them streamlined and share like some of the industry secrets. They're not necessarily industry secrets, but some of the workflows that I use personally to design the products. Of course, I'm looking to have finished products next year, going on in 2018. And I plan on doing a lot of promotional videos and documentation of how it is that anyone that's interested in utilizing the same tools can go ahead and produce that. Again, it's called StoryLucent. Right now, what's going on in the scene that you see here is I'm really big on the aspect of virtual storying from like a comic perspective. And utilizing different types of 2D drawings and 3D scenes, I think, can be a whole new way to experience a story itself, and stills and slight animations, things like that. But also pushing the boundaries as well, and getting a framework like this prepared for things like virtual reality and augmented reality. So there's some new technologies coming out in the future here, and I want to make sure that a tool for storytelling is works around that. So I'm really proud of where I've gotten so far. Everything looks, I still am embarrassed sometimes to show off some of my work because it's still a little bit rusty and it still hasn't gotten there. I'm still going to continue development on my meditation app. I'll have like more links and more information down the line. As time goes on by, I'll get a lot more communication as far as what I'm doing. You can definitely follow me if you'd like. That would be really awesome. And in the future, if you'd like to support what I do from like a financial standpoint, that would be amazing investment because I'll be doing a lot of open development. There's a couple of different stories I'm looking to do. The one that you see back here is the story of, it's called Star Lost. So it's a concept story I have in the making for a few years now. But another thing that I'm doing that I've been dreaming of doing for the longest time is revisualizing the Bible itself. So I also have that I'll be starting up. And I'll be posting a lot of pictures, either on my Twitter. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using Instagram or the Facebook for that, but I'll be having a few different channels if you're interested in the development or what it takes to produce some of these applications or these creative designs. So I'll talk more about that, but a huge, big shout out to everyone in my life, friends, family, coworkers, peers. Everyone's been hugely supportive of myself and been a positive inspiration. It's definitely hard to teach myself how to do everything that I'm capable of. I'm not naturally talented in doing a lot of the programming and the art and everything it takes to design these applications. But my natural ability comes from learning and persistence, and that's something that I put to work there. And I'm looking to return that, whether it's to the community or to other friends and family, to share some insight and also create some awesome stories and methods of entertainment and ways of that people can go ahead and get educated from different things, whether it's history stories or the Bible stories, or even through meditation. Lots of different ways of art. So this is the last scene here that's up on the background, and what you'll see is that it's an action scene. You can see the dialogue from different characters from different perspectives. There's a lot of action taking place in stills and animation. But I'm going to talk a lot more about the tool itself. Happy holidays to everybody, and thank you again. I look forward to sharing more of my work, and peace out there.